Hello budding lawyers, welcome to my first vlog of this channel. I'm in Mumbai and I'm planning to visit Fort area because there are many courts in that area. I'm planning to go around those courts, meet some of my friends, lawyers and record many other things. So stay tuned.
20 minutes later.
Hey guys, I'm in a taxi now. I'll be going to High Court. I took a taxi from THT station. So this is how this area looks, like Fort, THT and all. This is part of the old Mumbai area. And I'm in a Kali Pili to be specific. So these black and yellow taxis are called Kali Pili locally here. This is the metro construction going on. I've met my friend Mitali. She is also a lawyer, and
Hi,
yeah, and we are going to the sessions court now. कुछ बोल सकते हैं तुझे कुछ बोलना है तो. Okay, so now you guys will start seeing many advocates here. Actually, there are few advocates I can see. I don't know why.
Because the courts have started, no? They must be inside the court.
Yeah, right. The court start at
11 a.m.
11 a.m. I think the sessions court or the magistrate court starts at 10:30, right? And this is the sugarcane juice wala, which is quite popular in this area because there are many such stalls you will find, like at every chowk, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the sessions court. And I can also see some interns. I remember my days. Hi Aditya.
Hello.
Yeah, so you can tell us about the sessions court.
Yeah, so this is actually called City Civil and Sessions Court.
Yeah.
Just like there are district courts in other districts, this is for entire district of Mumbai, this is City Civil and Sessions. So basically all the matters in which the punishment is more than 7 years in criminal cases, all of it comes to Sessions Court for its trial. So basically all the important trials, for example murder and all the serious charges happen here. That is the first thing. And as far as civil side is concerned, it is called City Civil Court, and there are two branches, one is in Fort, one is in Dindoshi. The jurisdiction here is basically all the pecuniary jurisdiction of till 1 crore. So all the matters which has a valuation below 1 crore come here before City Civil. These days we often say that all of the defamation cases and all the injunction cases, whichever is important and which fall within the monetary jurisdiction of this court, come to City Civil, and it is basically the utility of this court is it is faster than High Court and you get the same relief as that of court.
Okay. Thanks a lot for this wonderful brief. So, 3 things are very important when you are visiting a court as a lawyer. Keep this in mind. Locate the Xerox wala shop beside the court, which is very important. And second is parking if you are not traveling through public transport. So that is another important thing. And the third is that you locate the exact courtroom in which your matter is going to be called out. And again, as I said, the ganne ka juice wala, you can see it here too. So you will see it like around many times.
This is the entry only for the judges, okay?
This is the entry only for judges.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Advocate's entry is allowed from the other way because
Yeah, where we were standing.
Checking, yeah.
From there, advocates and other litigants enter.
Correct.
And this is the judges entry. Okay. And if you can hear the sound of the bell ringing, it is from the clock tower. What is it called? Clock tower, I guess.
Rajabai Clock Tower.
Rajabai Clock Tower.
It'll ring for 12 times.
And we are not going to wait for that. Hi Sagar.
हेलो
Black and white क्यों नहीं पहन के आया?
यार ये गलत है यार, ये शुरू हो जाती है.
Now after Sessions Court we are heading towards the High Court. We'll try to cover like show you as many gates as we can. There are many gates. So there is a Sessions Court, then besides that there is a lane and there is the University of Mumbai, and after that there is a lane and there is the City Civil and the High Court. So we have reached the High Court. This is the High Court. This is not the front gate, but this is the gate where like many of the advocates enter into, and also litigants. And the barricade, you can see the yellow barricade. Most of the times, all the journalists and the reporters are stopped there. And just opposite to the court, there are these advocates having their cars and sitting inside there and doing the notary work. So if you have any urgent notary to be done, you can do it just like quickly because this is just beside the court. So Sagar, by the time we are reaching the other gate of High Court, tell us about something about High Court, like what types of matters tried over there?
It's an appellant court, but it also has an original jurisdiction. So basically, original jurisdiction with regards to pecuniary limits, commercial suits, you can say testamentary suits are filed over here. So it has an original jurisdiction with regards to that. An appellant jurisdiction with regards to matters that are tried in sessions, city and small causes court in various other courts and tribunals in Mumbai.
स्मॉल कॉजेस से भी डायरेक्ट अपील होता है?
No, small causes से direct appeal नहीं होता, second appeal before होता है यहाँ पे.
This is the other gate which we are talking about. The police van, you can see just beside that there is a stamp vendor. Like if you want to buy any stamp papers and all, you can buy from there. So this is just diagonally opposite to the High Court, and this is the famous Flora fountain, and this is Hutatma Chowk. So this is a quite famous bookstall for law students and lawyers. All the barracks and other reference books are found here. You will get all the barracks and reference books. How is the vada pav, Mitali?
Nice. I want the best of the world. My mom prepares too, and I love them.
So just beside the High Court, you will find the lane. Like there are many bookstalls like this, where you will find a lot of novels and all other books. Like you will find almost every book. And many of them are quite cheap. And let's now get a taxi. So this is the CST station, also known as VT station, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. And just opposite to it is the BMC office, Mumbai Municipal Corporation's office. And just beside that is the Killa Court or the Metropolitan Magistrate Court. It is known as the Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Court, right? Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Court, right?
Yeah.
This is the Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Court we were talking about. This is one entrance, and the other entrance is on that side, but there was a tree just in front of the board, so I didn't took that shot. And just opposite to the court, you will find a lot of typists and like Xerox corners where all the typings and all are done. And this is the another gate which I was talking about. You will see many advocates standing just outside the court and asking for if you want to get notary done or things like that. So this typewriter is quite rare now, usage of this kind of typewriters. So that's it guys, we are done with the video. I am in a local train as you can see and going home. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, do like the video, share it with your colleagues and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.